What is going on, guys? This is Travis Price with Turning 65, where we answer your questions about Medicare and Medicare private insurance. If this is the first time you've checked out one of my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you're notified when I post new content. I do release videos every week on Sunday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you have other questions about Medicare, I would definitely check out travisprice.com/turning65. It answers a lot of the common questions about Medicare and Medicare private insurance. It's an amazing resource for you, so definitely check it out. In today's video, where it's going to be super brief because it's going to be about, can you use GoodRx while on Medicare? Now, I'm going to say one thing. GoodRx is amazing. It gives you discounts on drugs. However, it is not considered creditable health insurance or drug plan, so it will not replace a Part D plan for the event that, avoiding a penalty if you don't sign up for it. That is very important to understand before we go into anything here. We're not going to replace a Part D plan with GoodRx to avoid a penalty. You do have to have creditable prescription drug plans, and that's not going to fall within what's considered creditable prescription drug plans. That's just a discount plan. That being said, the answer is absolutely yes. You can use GoodRx instead of using Part D to save money on drugs. This is super important when we're talking about if you have a deductible on your drug plan, or if the price of your drug plan, even with your Part D, is more expensive than using GoodRx. You can definitely substitute the coupon codes with our GoodRx instead of using your Part D plan. This is really great to make sure that if you have like basic generic drugs, you usually can get about the same price as you would under GoodRx. However, it's very important that you compare the pricing with GoodRx versus a drug plan to make sure that you're getting the maximum benefit for the money that you're spending on your drug plan, or what's going on with your drugs. So what we're going to do next here is I'm actually going to do a quick walkthrough using GoodRx for you, just so you can get kind of familiar with the plan and how it works and the number of options that you have. So definitely stick tuned for that. If you have any other questions, you can always put them in the comments. If it's a really great question that I think we need to have a separate video, we will go ahead and create content for you. You can also reach out to me at travisprice.com or give me a call. If you have other questions about Medicare or Medicare private insurance, check out travisprice.com/turning65. At the end of this video, you will also get access to a video, or there's also a card at the top now where you can check out how to evaluate Part D plans and how to choose a Part D plan that best works for you. That being said, we're going to go ahead and jump into the GoodRx tutorial here. All right, guys, so here we are on GoodRx's website. That's www.goodrx.com. So what you're going to start off with is, you can see here, you can just type your drugs in right here to find the lowest price next to you. The great thing here is they do have a list of the most popular searches that people type into the system. That's really great. You can download their mobile app. You can go onto Google Store or Google Play or the App Store, and that's both Android and um, Apple compliant, and download the app. You can also sign up for a discount card where you can just present your card. And so now we're going to go ahead and jump in to how you would use GoodRx and the website. So we're going to go ahead and look up Lipitor, which is a common drug. GoodRx is automatically going to select the generic equivalent of Lipitor for you. It's because you generally get a much better discount on the generics than you would on the brand name. However, if you need the brand name or prefer the brand name, you can switch that generic. As you can see, the prices skyrocket because it is the brand name. We're going to jump back over to the generic level though. Now this is actually pulling my my area, which is here in Traverse City, and pulling up all the costs in my city for the generic form of Lipitor. You can come over next. It's only going to be offered in tablet form, but then you can select your dosage here and determine, so if you only need 10 milligrams, it'll change it in the system based on their discounts. Finally, you can come right here and select the quantity, the daily quantities or the monthly quantities that you want. 90 tablets if you're on a 90-day plan. 90 days are usually going to give you the best discount on your drugs. So it's super important that you, if you can, get a 90-day prescription from your doctor. If you're on a 30-day right now, you can always ask your doctor to write a 90-day script for you, as long as it's not a controlled drug. Usually they will go ahead and do that for you. And then you just kind of look down and find the best discount for you. And you can get your free coupon here, or you can also use the app and it'll show your coupon, so you can just present it to your pharmacy and which pharmacies offer the best prices. They also offer savings clubs that you can pay for. This one's $5.99 a month for Meyer Pharmacy, and you're going to save a significant amount for your drugs here. Even when you compare it to, you're going to save about half. So it's going to cost you about total $11 for just Lipitor, but this $5.99, if you have multiple drugs, could save you a significant amount of money. And then we also want to look at your GoodRx home delivery. If you opt to do home delivery, you can join. They have a 30-day trial. Also, so this is also telling you the average cash price if you use the 10 milligram at $150.25. The GoodRx is going to say or cost you $35. And so it's really great to kind of see like the cost comparison and what you can expect to save using GoodRx. I think that GoodRx is always a great option. You should always select the least amount that you would pay in the event that you could save some money using GoodRx versus using your Medicare Part D plan. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can check me out at travisprice.com/turning65. Thank you so much for checking out this video and have a great day.